Yan guys, I'm showing you guys, look at that, very, very, beautiful, how beautiful they are. Look at those Christmas lights. That you could tell that even a people has a lot of struggles in life. Through this light, it really gives life. Look at that. This is the place we are, always doing our weekly cell group or Bible study. Look at that. Actually, this is competition. So, I'm gonna do walk some step down there, showing you guys every houses that there's a light. They really made an effort and put too much or a lot in effort for that. Look at that, so amazing. When I see lights like that, every time I'm seeing a kind of lights like that, it made me smile. So cute. Look at that. Very bright. Even it's not saying something, but it implying things to us, happiness, life, light, that really, when we have God in our life, there's always a happy life. Look at this. Move, 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 move. There, 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 there. So here showing you a lot. Every house, yes guys. Take a look. Take a look there, down there. As far as I understand, it is competition, just activity of our mayor, I think. So take a look. I don't know how much the amount of price, but so greeny. Love it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ganda guys, it's so amazing. People or Filipino people is so creative in everything. Trust me. Look at that. Going back, see, there, up. Sometimes you're not gonna look or stay to the situation of life. Even, there are some people affected by the typhoon for the previous weeks, but even though it's a lot, but look at that, still people choose to be happy and celebrate Christmas because this is the birth of Jesus, right? Uh, People are so happy having their own decoration to tree outside the house and everything. So here, look at this. This is one that I got truly my attention. Cute, oh. Like sabsaban, manger. There, there. Going back there, as you could see more. So, ang ganda guys, it's really it amazed me so much. People are so creative, not just people, Filipino people is real. That's our attitude as a Filipino people. Take a look. Oh my God. It's awesome, fantastic, amazing. What more I could tell. So here, it's really good. And then this one also is another, it's just a manger. Oh.